patient. I'm paper chasing. These niggas hating. These niggas snaking.
It's your boy Smitty, wicked is gonna, you feel me? You ain't getting this book, your barber can't cut.
I lost my dog, you left me broken. Feeling all this pain, I can't control it. Smoking all this dope to keep me focused. And you know that gang, we push emotion. No, and they gon' slide up on your block, and I'ma slide up on theirs. Got some shooters on the roof, I see your shooters upstairs. Niggas clueless and ratatouille, got a stick and get ruined. Pick up the phone and call my number if you tryna get to it. And I'm intoxicated, my head hurt. This lean got me feeling like a zombie. See, I was snake, but my main focus is to stay solid. How the fuck I'm supposed to win when I keep losing? They took my dog, I lost it all, they left me clueless. Just keep your head up, just be a soldier. Just stack your bread up, don't let them fold up. These niggas be hating false allegations. I see the paper, not chasing. On my girl, I take my time because I'm basically waiting.
Hey, how they say that, man? One out of two, man. Big fan guy, you understand me? We ain't getting no butt, well, we can't cut.
I'm paper chasing, I'm steady waiting. I'm paper chasing, cause I'm a soldier.
What's down with the YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's Fade Guy Ian. Today, man, I got a fire lineup correction video for y'all. And look, before we get started, y'all already know what we gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment if you want to see more of my content. Also, bro, let me know in the comments what type of content y'all want to see, bro. I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to post more. I'm trying to do more. So let's get it. So I started with the blades on this, and I got a 1.5 guard on there, okay? No, I said guard. But look, 1.5 and use it around the whole head. If he wants to go lower, I'll go lower and use a 1, but the 3.2 millimeter, okay? Make sure you do this around the whole head and follow the direction that his wave pattern is going. Alright, so while y'all do that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about this last video I did. This T-Pod review video, bro. Dope. So far, I give them a 10 out of 10. If you haven't watched it, please go watch this video, man, and give it a like. Drop a comment on what clippers you want to see me review next, bro. Let's get it. So look, these blades right here, bro, are the Andis Supras, bro. They're compatible with Oster and different brands too. I have it circled off for you guys of the crown. So look, just follow the direction that the hair grows. If it grows down, just follow that, bro. I got some arrows for y'all growing up. Just follow that, bro. Not everyone's crown is the same because they have different wave patterns and different hair growth. But just make sure you follow the pattern. Alright, time to start this correction. I'm using my imaginary pencil and where I want to place this trimmer. So I take my clippers, right? And we're not going to ball anything out because I need everything, okay? I don't want to erase something too early. So the style that I'm doing, I'm just fading it like it's a high taper or a mid fade. Starting off with my 2 guard, and I'm just attacking the top, like kind of debulk, and also the top of that lineup. Make sure you comb it out thoroughly, and then I'm gonna go back with my 2 closed. And the key is just to get it low as possible to kind of blend it with those baby hairs or that natural line per se. Then we'll switch it up with a 1.5. All right. So we're gonna work this guard lower, and we're gonna get closer to that guideline and still thin out that hairline, just so they can give it a sharper and crisper lineup. Push your lever back and forth, up and down, open and close until you get the satisfaction that you want, okay? The goal is to get a gradient look from light to dark or dark to light. Now I got my 1 guard, just up and down, open and close. So now I'm starting to form my low taper. He gets that low taper. I would say this is more of a mid since we're doing the lineup correction. And he does love enhancements. So this would also help set those enhancements better. I like it because the enhancements look better and they blend better whenever you cut the hair shorter. And now we're moving on to the fun part. So all this is right here, just blending it in with that skin, getting it close to the skin fade, and making sure I'm staying low, detailing as much as I possibly can, and just freehanding. Alright guys, so I just wanted to let y'all know, man, Just because you have to do lineup corrections, it doesn't always mean there's a pushback, right? You may have clients who come every week for a haircut and their hair doesn't have time to grow back, and you as a barber have to correct that lineup, right? So this technique right here is called raking. So I just take no guard and I have my lever open, and I'm being very, very careful not to push or take off too much hair. So if y'all use this technique, man, please just take your time, bro. Have some care for their hairline. Please don't dig into it. You'll take out too much and it's gonna look really bad, okay? Just take your time. So this is my line, and this is where I'm gonna place these trimmers, and I'm slowly gonna just push back until the lineup is strong enough on its own. No enhancements, just pure natural skills, okay? And after you line these clients up with their natural hair, like I said, no enhancements. Show it to them. Let them see your skills. Let them know, okay, man, my barber knows what he's doing, okay? And then apply enhancements. So first step, make sure you line these guys up correctly, and then apply enhancements last correctly, okay? Alright, so this is the finished product, man. I hope y'all love it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. If you want to learn how to color match with the pencil, I didn't use just white. I used browns and whites as well. So I'll show you guys how to do that in the future. Also, comment other type of content you guys want to see if you love my work. I love you guys. Subscribe to the channel.